Hello, and welcome to Brewster Integrated Solutions. My name is Troy, and I'm the founder of BIS. I am a Lean Six Sigma black belt with over 20 years of operations and quality management experience. I partner with small to medium-sized businesses to help them navigate quality and quality management systems to implement, maintain, and improve quality management systems with a focus on ISO 9001, ISO 13485, and FDA cGMP requirements. The purpose of this YouTube channel is to provide tips and tricks, short tutorials, just simple explanation of quality management, why it's important, key topics, but keep it simple.